this kind of work isn't as easy or as glamorous as you'd think. But when success is measured in hundreds of seconds, it's important to feel confident inside and out. And when my skin looks better, I feel better. There is so much information out there on skincare and so many products. Lots of things that can make you look good, but aren't necessarily good for you. In my line of work, I've seen so many different skin types, but the only one I really have to worry about is my own. What I love about Infinite is that it gives you the feeling that you're doing something good for yourself. They say moisture is the secret to great skin. Infinite by Forever works to restore skin's moisture balance and reduce fine lines and wrinkles for skin that looks and feels younger. Every week, I'm surrounded by some of the most stunning people on the planet. And the funny thing is, they're always coming up to me asking what I use. And of course, I tell them because it's not a secret. Infinite is created for visible results, combining aloe with ingredients that scientifically elevate its skin conditioning properties. I wanted to be able to do something good for myself every day, a simple routine that I can do no matter how busy I get. Something that really makes a difference. To me, it's a true indulgence. It works inside and out. When I feel good about myself, I'm able to connect with others in a more real way. And that's super important in what I do. We all deserve to look and feel our very best. And with Infinite, I honestly do.